Got the chain brackets welded on there, painted. Looks pretty good. I got the photo I mounted. I don't have the wire in yet, so it's not tightened down. What else? I got the back chain bracket welded. So now I'll put the chain on and break it to length and put the chain bolts on, and then probably going to do another thing that I don't normally do. I'm going to probably mount the antenna on the outside. As you can hear, it's a high traffic area, so I don't want to put the antenna on this post right here, and I'm afraid it might get vandalized. So hopefully I can get good range just by relocating the antenna right there. What else? That's about it. Another hot day in Texas.